1994 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am GT 25th Anniversary Edition. Price: $26,500. Location: Hawaii. The 1994 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am GT 25th Anniversary Edition is far more than just another American muscle car. It represents a milestone in Pontiac history, celebrating 25 years of the legendary Trans Am nameplate with one of the most exclusive production models ever built, finished in its factory bright white paint with bold Tyrol blue center stripes inspired by the iconic 1969 Trans Am. This rare collector's car instantly commands attention. With only 44,691 original miles, it remains an outstanding example that has been carefully preserved for enthusiasts who appreciate true American performance. The real excitement begins under the hood. Power comes from the legendary 5.7-liter LT1 V8 engine, the very same engine family that powered the Corvette during the same era, producing thrilling performance through a highly desirable 6-speed manual transmission. This Trans Am delivers an authentic driving experience that modern sports cars often struggle to replicate. Every gear change feels mechanical and rewarding, while the rear-wheel drive layout and limited slip differential ensure excellent traction when the road opens up. Whether cruising along scenic highways or carving through winding roads, this Pontiac reminds drivers why the 1990s were such a golden era for American performance. The exterior styling is equally unforgettable. Pontiac equipped this anniversary model with its aggressive GT aerodynamic package, featuring integrated fog lights, a deep front fascia, functional pop-up headlights, and a towering rear spoiler that perfectly captures the bold design language of the decade. The removable T-top roof panels allow drivers to enjoy open-air cruising whenever the weather is perfect, while the factory white 16-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Goodyear tires complete the unmistakable anniversary appearance. Even standing still, this Firebird looks fast, aggressive, and unmistakably American. The cabin blends performance with comfort in classic 1990s fashion. Supportive bucket seats, air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, and steering wheel mounted audio controls create a driver-focused cockpit that remains comfortable for long-distance trips. The factory AM or FM cassette stereo with auto-reverse, equalizer, digital clock, and premium 10-speaker sound system delivers a nostalgic experience that takes enthusiasts back to one of the greatest decades in automotive history. Every detail inside reflects Pontiac's commitment to building a muscle car that could be enjoyed every single day. The documentation accompanying this vehicle makes it even more desirable. Included are the owner's manual, factory literature, service records, a digital copy of the original window sticker, and a clean Carfax report, giving future owners confidence in both its authenticity and maintenance history.